Hey, hello, I'm going to show you how to make a Lego blender. It's Lego Pirates of Caribbean. Okay, first you will need this piece, this rotate piece, this piece. It can be any color. If you like it, it will be red. I didn't find mine. One gray, one black, these. Black, or any other color. One black flat without any bumps on it. One gray with one bump. One of these pieces, I don't know how it's called. This piece. And two of these. Okay, let's start off with this piece. Put it on. Then you take this one. Rotate. Take that here. Okay, then you will take the black one. Okay, then you will take your black piece and your shiny piece. It can be any color, remember that. The best one is red. Stick it up here. Place this one here, so it looks like it's a button. Then you take your black one and put it on the back here, like that. Okay. Then you will need this piece and this piece, and you'll have to connect like that, like this. And then you will need this piece and connect it. Okay, then you want this piece and connect them on this one. So it's like that. Then put this with one bump. Put it on here. Then take this piece, connect it, and connect both pieces, and that's what you got. Blender. You put it up, put a plate or something, whatever you want, juice, close it up, press a button, and then rotate. Yeah, that's pretty all. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching my video.